We are going to build an app using Google's new Gemini 3 Pro model. It is the #1 scoring AI in humanity's last exam. It's going absolutely viral on social media. It's supposed to be better than Cursor, Claude Code, and other vibe coding tools, but we have to test it out for ourselves. As an ex-software engineer who has built and sold multiple AI apps, there's only one way to find out. Will Gemini 3 Pro build us a viral AI app that we can sell, or will it give us some dog shit?
Good app ideas to build within one day that are simple yet effective. Use data from current viral apps that are simple and doing well. Also propose a new feature that can be added to each app to make it our own. Again, why will we create an entirely new app when we can just innovate on one that's already created? Welcome to the app game. Anti-rot scroll blocker. This is actually really good because there are very popular apps right now that are going crazy that are literally just anti-rot scroll blocking. User accounts waiting on other users to join. Look at that. Puff count, dump on your file simple factor. This is actually great research. Okay. Brain rot prevention, doom scrolling. Okay, habit counter, dumb phone launcher. What is this? Huh. It's not bad. Replacing colorful addictive icons with a simple text-only list of apps to reduce screen time. And these are the sources that it used. A lot is YouTube, makes sense. Okay. Which language can you build a mobile app in? Now, obviously, we're using React Native, but for someone who's completely from, no app development background, they might want to know this. Yep, React Native, there you go, just like I said. I'm an expert, I was a software engineer after all. All right, so let's go with the anti-rot scroll blocker app. Okay. Anti-rot scroll blocker app. Using React Native. Your task. So now we're going to give it an entire prompt of what we want to build and some core features and where literally just gonna have it build it. All right, so I given the prompt, and what I decided was I'm not only going to just make it an anti-rot scroll blocker, but I'm also gonna allow users to input daily tasks and pick one of the tasks as the just one task. And that's the app's name, just one. Essentially, this task is the task that must be completed, that day. I've also decided to be able to connect the Apple's calendar to the app. So what can happen is our app will be able to use AI, like the Gemini 3 Pro model, ideally, to let the user have these scheduled break times where they can actually go on their phone, go on social media, as well as schedule the other tasks that are important throughout the day. And use modern styling and a dark theme. Now, to make it look pretty, I do want to give some reference materials. And let's go ahead and just label this to make it a little more understandable for the app. Use the images provided to design a very similar style for our app. Let's make the theme overall black and orange. All right, so I think we're good. We have our prompt, we have some reference UI for it to look at, and let's build this. I'm very interested to see what it comes up with. Integrate Apple's calendar sync. Okay, add to chat. I like how it asked me to do that, and I did it. That was very thoughtful. Okay, all right, so we have a first screen. The just one, select a task from your list, no core focus set. I'm not gonna lie, the UI looks pretty sweet. The UI does look kind of cool. Add a new task. Drink 4 liters of water. All right. Fix navigation bug. That's done. Or this is starred. What happens? That's a just one task. Okay, so it's a star that allows you to do that. Anti-right. Let's go back to this. So this is for the calendar, but because it's like a preview, I don't think there is. Yeah, so this is just dummy data. Let's look at it. Lunch with client. This is a crucial external commitment. The just one focus hydration kickoff. Oh my god. I was about to say drink all the water in 1 hour. 4 liters of water in an hour, you're gonna be bloated. But I like how it breaks it up. Okay. And let your mind wander 15 minutes and back to your mission. 15-minute break. I like that. Another earn those. Alright, this one 12:30 to 5:15. This is probably one of the best UIs I've seen any vibe coding tool make. The task page, okay, anti-rot. Let's see. Instagram. Still, so this is unlock, TikTok, Twitter. And we can probably replace the app icons right here. Is this not in already? I thought we already did that. Maybe we didn't. Okay, so let's see if this works. This is the Apple Calendar integration. Allowing access to your calendar. Click allow. This is still, dummy information, which is, that's fine, right? It makes sense. Okay, so it's only selected just one task to generate your schedule. So let's focus on the task we need to do. So you can only pick one, that makes sense. So based on your calendar, it will, and just one task, it will generate a AI schedule for you. Wow, I like that. That's actually very smart. I was thinking about you can add just one task anywhere, but no, this is very cool. Okay, so let's make this a little better. The icons I'm not too worried about. Let's ask Gemini, what are some cool things to make the app stand out? Features we can add. So I like how I asked it to give some ideas for features that we can add, and this is what it's doing. Social friction, gamification, AI personality, the rot report, the end of the day, use day, raise your brain rot score, dopamine monk or scroll zombie. Okay, I like that. It's like giving me some avatars. This is a really good idea. Wow, usually AI is not this smart. I'll be honest. Usually AI is pretty cooked when it comes to like new ideas. Go drink water, dehydrated cabbage. I love this. A focus block. Oh my god, this is amazing. I want to add all three. Okay, let's implement feature one. It's telling me, hey, I don't care what you think. Let me go ahead and add what I think is best for business. Let's add the rot report. You can use dummy data for demonstration purposes. I like the pack mode ideas too, it's very nice. AI Gatekeeper, the roast. And it understands virality. People record screen captures of AI roasting and posting on TikTok. Look at this app bullying me. Oh my god, this gives me so many ideas. Holy. This was supposed to be just for a fun video, but I might actually make this a real thing now. Okay, the report is ready when just one task is completed. Alright, so let's make a task. Let's complete Q3 report. Oh, shoot. Focus. So what happens if I click yes? Okay. Let's not do that. Alright, anti-rot. So if we... Alright, so the report is ready. The feature is added. And if we complete the just one task, which is this one, you click check mark. You can see that's the day complete. Your rot report is ready. Click view. Dopamine monk. Rot score 12%. Focus time. Doom scroll. Times you try to rot report. Share rot report. And you can share this with your friends. Dude, I love this. And the font is so nice too. Gemini might be the best vibe coding model. Oh my god. But there's some other things we can test. Let's see if we can add the other features that it recommended. Can you add the AI Gatekeeper feature? Alright, so it's generated the AI Gatekeeper feature. We're going to test it by clicking anti-rot. You see it's tried opening TikTok. Access denied. TikTok is currently locked. Tell the AI why I need to open it. I need to open it. Oh, I want to see motivational posts to make me want. That's peak brain rot. Go actually do something instead of chasing dopamine hits. Oh my god, it's actually roasting me. It's literally roasting me. Let's try again. I'm crying. I don't know. I'm crying and depressed. Oh, that's actually kind of nice. Wow, I like that. It actually was kind of kind to me just then. Perfect. I like this. So let's go ahead and pretend we completed Q3 report. So now the features we have are pretty sick. And while the app isn't fully finished, we are going to try to sell this, and prematurely. And the way you do that is first you just gotta take a bunch of screenshots of your app that makes it look sick. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna take a screenshot of this screen because it looks pretty cool. And what's another cool screen? The task screen. This looks pretty plain. Don't really want to share this. Complete Q3 view. So this is a very shareable screen, right? The anti-rot. Okay. Access denied. I need motivation. We would say the AI Gatekeeper. Copy this as well. Please your case. Oh my, look at that, go touch some grass. Like this interchange is great for X, or posting this on a platform that can get people to comment and react, you know? Okay, now with these screenshots generated, what we're gonna be doing is we are going to add these on X and try to see if they can go viral. And there's a hidden science to it, which we're about to see. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add the 2 images of me getting roasted. I've made 6 figures selling AI apps, but still struggle to focus. That's a problem. That's what something people can relate to in a way. So I am making not doom scroll and roast me if I do. Did it go too far? And we have a crying emoji. And then we can see what it says. And we're gonna post in the build in public community, very popular community. Post there. And there you go. And now we're gonna add a second tweet where we're gonna show the shareable screens, these ones. Maybe you can move. Oh, what just happened? What? Nope, that was a mistake. Let's do that again. Gemini 3 Pro model. Absolutely sick. I'm using this huge wave of the Gemini 3 Pro model going viral on social media. I'm just posting about it, using that hashtag. This will help the tweet get more views. So we're gonna post this in everyone's channel, honestly, just the entire world. The next thing I'm going to do is get those exact same shareable screens and upload them on Instagram, TikTok, and any other social media that I possibly can, because that just increases the chance of the app going viral. And you should be doing the same. In fact, this is the exact blueprint I used to grow this app to over 500 users in just 1 week. Don't believe me? Watch this video right here where I show you how.